Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to unlike all reels on Instagram. So if you want to clear your trash, you want to leave no trash, clear your history, and also you want to unlike one of the reels, you can do it by go to your Instagram app and tap on your profile. Then tap three stripe at the top of your screen in order to go to the settings and activity. Here you can try to search the your activity option. You can tap it. Now here we go. This is one place to manage your activity. You can view and manage your interaction, content, and account activity. Let's start with the first one. This is the likes option. Tap it. And here you can select by all, you can filter by all content type and untick the post box. So here only the reels that you like that will show to you. And here, in order to unlike all, you have to tap select at the top right corner of your screen, then tap on reels that you don't want to see again or you want to remove. After that, just tap on like button at the bottom of your screen, the red text. So again, let's start again. In order to unlike all reels on your Instagrams, you can go to the settings by tap three stripe at your profile. Then here you will directly go to the settings and activity page. Now you can tap your activity option and tap on likes and tap all content type filter at the top of your screen and untick the post box, this one, and apply. And this is all reels that you've liked before, and in order to unlike it, tap select at the top right corner of your screen and select reels then you don't want to see again or you don't want to see the similar post. And here we go, you can tap unlike. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next video.